Captain G.R. Gopinath and Air Deccan are names that hold an important place in the history of Indian airline industry. Inspired from his life and based on true events, director Sudha Kongra directed this amazing film named Surarai Potru, which was released on 13th of November. Though this movie was said to be a biopic, it was fictionalized a lot for cinematic experience. And the movie was well received by all sort of audiences. This movie is a masterpiece and definitely one of the best movies from the Tamil film industry. There were a lot of inspiring moments in the film, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about the best moments from Surarai Potru. Maran takes Prakash Babu, CEO of Venture Capitalist, to the nearby Udupi hotel to discuss regarding his plan of starting the low-cost airlines. This scene is really interesting because Prakash asks Maran as in why he preferred this Udupi hotel over the nearby 5-star hotel to have a plate of dosa, to which Maran tells him that it's the same dosa that is delivered in both the places, but still the 5-star hotel charges a lot, whereas Udupi hotel sells it at affordable price for the middle class. Similarly, most of the airlines charges more, due to which only the high class people can afford to fly. So here he is trying to explain his idea on how to start his airline company by reducing the extra cost on newspapers, food and extra staffs on the aircraft, and by increasing the number of trips. Maran wants DGCA license in order to start his airline company, but due to a lot of these politics done by the competitors, there is no chance of getting the license. That's when he happens to know that All India Radio team is going to interview APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Maran finds this as an opportunity to meet the president and discuss his problem so that his job will be done. So this is yet another inspiring moment from the film. Bommi is one of the most important characters in the film because she is an understanding wife, a supportive friend, and a bold and strong woman. There were many instances where Nedumaran needed mental support, and all these times Bommi was around. There was this one scene where Prakash Babu cheats Maran and Maran's dream is shattered. That's when Bommi motivates Maran to fight back. Finally, Maran needs around 3 crores of rupees in order to achieve his dream. And in this scene, we get to see the whole villagers coming forward to help Maran financially. We can see farmers lending money from their savings, old women, homemakers, kids, everyone helping him with whatever little savings that they have. Maran was not expecting this, but yes, he is working for them, and in return, they helped him because it's no longer just his dream, but these poor people's dream as well. For me, this was the best moment in the film, and I'm sure for most of you out there, this will be the favorite scene. And yes, this is the airport scene. Here we get to see how great an actor Surya is. It's basically this 7 to 8 minutes of this emotional scene where Maran asks for financial help from other passengers to buy a ticket, as his father is on the deathbed, but no one is willing to help him. He is ready to sell his gold ring for exchange of money. He is telling them that he is an Air Force officer by showing them the uniform, and yes, we start empathizing with Maran while watching this scene. And also the following scene after that, when Maran finally makes it to his house, everything was over and he was not able to see his dad for a final time. So I felt this whole scene was the best moment in the film. Apart from this, there were a lot of other inspiring moments in the film. These were just in my opinion, and I think most of you guys would have already watched this film. If not, please go ahead and watch it. That's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If so, hit the like button and please do subscribe to us. See you soon with another video, and thanks for watching.